Hello, dear children. Good morning. How are you all? Today, we are going to study moral science. Yes? As we have already completed lesson number 1, 2, as well as 3 in the last videos. So, now we'll proceed to lesson number 4. Okay? That is good habits. What is the name of the chapter, my dear children? Good habits. So, I hope you all are having your moral science books with you. Yes or no? So please be ready with your moral science books, girls. What is the name of the book? Gems for Life. This is the book of your moral science. Please take out your books, all of you. Keep it in front of you while ma'am is reading along, okay? And please be ready, okay? So, let's start with the chapter. What is the name of the chapter, my dear children? I just now told you. The name of the chapter is Good Habits. What is the name? Good habits. I hope you all are already aware about this word, good habits. We have already told you about this word many a times in the class as well. Children, please follow good habits. Please learn good habits, my dear children. Yes, we say or not? Good habits are very important for your life. Yes or no? Okay. So, let me tell you what is the meaning of good habits. I think many of you know. But for those who don't know what is the meaning of good habits, behavior that is beneficial to your physical and mental health. Yes or no? What does this mean? A disciplined life, a life that is very much disciplined and self-control. That is the meaning of good habits. Means you are following a life in which you are doing all the good things, because of which your body as well as mind, yes or no, will have a good life to proceed further. This is the meaning of good habits. So, for example, what are the good habits? You tell me in your life. What are the things you can do for following good habits? Yes, tell me. First of all, getting up early in the morning. Yes or no? We tell you, children, please wake up early in the morning. Yes? Everybody says this, your mama, papa, all of them. Yes, we teachers, everybody asks you to get up early in the morning. Brushing your teeth. After waking up early in the morning, what is the next rule? To brush your teeth. Then, take bath every day. We ask you to take bath every day, dear children. Yes? Can you roam around without taking a bath? How much smelly you will become? Yes or no? Would you like to move around with a person who has not taken a bath? No, you'll say, ma'am, that girl is smelling a lot. Yes, means she has not taken a bath today. So, another good habit is to take bath every day. Being regular to school. We ask you all to be regular to school. Yes, when your school was open, that time we used to say that girls, please be regular to school. Don't take so many leaves. Yes or no? This is also a good habit. Exercising regularly. Do you all exercise regularly? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes. In school also you used to go for games. You used to do PT every day in the morning after assembly. Yes or no? So, all these things are referred to as good habits. Okay? And I hope all of you are following all the good habits of your life. So, let's quickly move to the story part of the chapter, Good Habits. Now, whom are we talking about, dear children? We are talking about Tanu. What is the name of the girl of this chapter? Tanu. Tanu, where is the lunch box? Who is asking? Mama. Who asks you, where is your lunch box, dear children? Where is your lunch box? Mama. Mama. Whenever you go home, your mama asks you, where is your lunch box? Yes? She even checks your lunch box, that you have eaten or not. That is why we get complaints now of many children. Ma'am, this girl is not eating lunch properly. Yes or no? Good. Tanu, where is the lunch box? It's in my bag. So, Tanu is saying to Mama, it's in my bag. What have you to do after coming from school? Now, Mama is asking, what are you supposed to do after coming from school? Yes, you came from school, so what you should do? You should take out your lunch box. Yes or no? Mama has taught you this thing or not? That when you come from school, you should take your lunch box out from the bag and keep it in the wash basin. Yes or no? Okay. Sorry, Mom, I forgot. Now what is Tanu saying? Sorry, Mama, I forgot. You also say sorry to your mama? Yes or no? When you forget a thing, you say sorry to your mama. Yes? Tanu ran and took the lunch box and kept it in the wash basin. This is what I told you, that you are supposed to take out your lunch box from your bag and keep it in the wash basin to be washed. Yes or no? Okay. I think all my girls do this properly. Yes or no? All the people know this. Yes, and all my children also do this. Oh, how I forgot. How many times mom reminded me and advised me. What is the meaning of advised? To tell somebody to do something. Yes or no? Mama advises you to do something. Yes or no, my dear children? Mama gives you advice that do this, do that. Yes or no? Okay. So, if we have to practice good habits, we have to give up certain things we like in our life. Yes or no? If we have to practice good habits, we have to give up certain things we like in our life. What do you need to give up? You tell me. What all things you should give up? Laziness. Yes? Because of laziness, you wake up very late. Yes or no? You feel like waking up late. You feel like lying on the bed. Because of laziness, you don't feel like studying. You don't feel like writing. You don't feel like doing work. You say, no, Mama, I'm feeling very lazy. Mama, I'm feeling very lazy. I'm very tired. I cannot write anymore. Yes? So below in this activity, we have in the box few words which are termed as the things which lead to not good habits, which lead to a bad person who is not having good habits in his life or her life. What are the terms? Let's quickly revise. Selfishness, being selfish, not helping anyone. I'm very selfish. I want to do what I want. I don't know what other person is in need of. I will do what I want to do. This is not my problem. Yes or no? This is known as selfishness. Anger. You become angry? Yes or no? I am very angry. I am not going to do this. You become angry at home also. You throw things here and there. I am angry. I will not do. And parents listen to you because they love you a lot. Yes? You also love them back. So you should listen to your parents. Help them in their work. And be good children. Yes? Disobedience. What is the meaning of disobedience? To not obey your parents. I'm not listening what you are saying, Mama. Whatever I want to do, I will do that. You say this. I hope not. I know many of them don't say this. But only few of them who do, they will also not do. They are also good children. Okay? Bad friendship. Many of you choose friends who are not good. Yes? Bad friendship means the ones who are doing bad with others, you choose them. Yes, I also want to do like that. No, we should not do like this. We should even change that person who is doing bad with others and make that person as well a good person. Laziness, I just now told you about this. Being lazy, no, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to wake up, I don't want to study, I don't want to write. All these terms are known as laziness. Pride. Being very much pride. I'm proud. I am this. I am that. I don't want to listen to anyone else. You say this? No. Girls don't say this. My girls especially. I know all are good. But the ones, if you are saying like this, it's not good. Yes, we should not say like that. We should be good children. Okay? So what all are the terms we learned right now? Which are not good habits. If you are doing this, things we like in our life, we should give up. These are the things we should give up. What all things we should give up, my dear children? Anger. We should not be angry. Pride. Then laziness. We should not become lazy children, okay? We should not be lazy. We should run and do all the work. Selfishness. We should not be selfish. We should help each and every one whom we come across, okay? Disobedience. We should always obey. Okay, children, we should always obey. Now, whom should we obey? All the elders as well as our friends or whoever say anything to us. We should obey them. Next is bad friendship. We should always have good friendship with everyone. We should not be bad children. Okay? Okay. Next page. Page number 19. Mom, may I take this book to read? Now what is Tanu saying, Mama? Mom, may I take this book to read? Take it. Make it a habit to read good books. What is Mama saying to Tanu? Take this book and make it a habit to read good books. Also write and keep the good ideas. You get an idea? Yes or no? Idea. Okay. You find in the book. Means Mama is saying, whatever you see in the book, if you see something good, you come across something really good, a good thought, a good deed, a good line, you should jot it down in your copy or somewhere. This is Mama teaching Tanu. Books are good friends. You roam around in search of friends. Many a times I've heard children say, Ma'am, I don't have friend. Ma'am, nobody talks to me. No problem. Take a book, good book. Read it. You'll feel really good. You'll be learning good terms. You'll be learning difficult words. You'll be learning good thoughts, good ideas from that. Okay? What is Mama telling Tanu? That books are your good friends. Can books say, don't read me, leave me alone, go away? No. So books will always and forever stay with you. Can we know the good deeds? What is the meaning of good deeds? Deeds means something that you do. So good deed means good things that you do. Can we know what are the good things we should do? Who is asking this? Tanu is asking her Mama. Can we know the good deeds others have done from books? Means Tanu is asking, can we get to know what the others have done from the books? You may read how they succeeded in life. What is Mama saying? You may read how they succeeded in life. You know, na, in your chapters, in your books, many a books, we are having the great people's stories. With those stories, with the help of those stories, you will get to know how they became great people, what all things they used to follow in their life. Succeeded means to do well, means to do good, to improve day by day. Anyway, I decided to make reading a habit. So what is Tanu saying to Mama? Okay, I have decided that I will make reading my habit. What is Mama saying? Very good. Mama is very happy, very good. What are the other good habits I can practice? Now Tanu is asking, what are the other good habits I can practice? Tanu was lost in thought. Tanu is thinking, what are the other good habits I can do? She's thinking about it. She's lost in thought. Many times you also think, na, what should I do? What will I do? Yes, she's lost. The formation of Good Habits Club, which Miss Lata said few days before in the class, come to her mind. Who is Miss Lata? Miss Lata is her teacher. She gave her work that you have to form Good Habits Club. Who gave? Miss Lata. Miss Lata gave her a work that you need to form Good Habits Club. She decided to prepare a notice for it. What did she decide? She decided that I will prepare a notice for it. So you can see in page number 19, below that, activity 2, you have a small notice there, yes or no? What is written there? Subject, venue and time. So in that what you will write? Good Habits Club. Venue, you will have it in school only. So what will be the venue? Auditorium. Timing? School timing. Okay. So now let's come across to the next page, that is page number 20. Those were busy days. So who is telling you this thing, that those were busy days? Who is telling? Tanu. But Miss Lata helped a lot. Who helped? Miss Lata. Who is Miss Lata? Her teacher. Whatever Tanu heard from the speech on that day, she wrote down on a sheet of paper. So, what all things she wrote down? She wrote down, pray every day. Then, help others. Obey your parents. Always speak truth. Read good books. So, what all things teacher told them? Pray every day. Help others. Obey your parents. Always speak truth. And read good books. All these things are good habits for you all. Okay. So with this, I wind up with this chapter, that is lesson number 4, good habits. Thank you.